Hey, what if I told you that a Raspberry Pi could play the piano by itself? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, let's dive into a project that takes DIY tech to a whole new level, an automatic piano powered entirely by a Raspberry Pi. So here's the deal. Most of us know Raspberry Pi as a tiny computer that fits in your palm, but it's actually the brains behind some of the coolest home projects out there. In this case, it's hooked up to a real physical piano, not a keyboard, not an app. We're talking about actual keys, hammers, strings. Let's break down how this works. The creator started by mounting actuators above the piano keys. Think of actuators like robotic fingers, tiny motors that press the keys when they get a signal. Each actuator is wired to a Raspberry Pi. The Pi is programmed to read MIDI files. That's basically digital sheet music. When you load up a song, the Pi sends signals to the actuators. The actuators tap out the notes in perfect time. Pretty wild, right? What's really cool is the precision. The Raspberry Pi doesn't just hammer away randomly, it plays complex pieces with dynamics, tempo, even emotion, pretty much like a real pianist. You can have it play Chopin, Billie Eilish, the Super Mario theme. The possibilities are insane. Now you might be wondering why not just use a regular player piano? Well, those are expensive. They're not exactly easy to customize, but with this setup, you can swap out songs in seconds. Tweak how each note is played. Even add your own coding magic if you're feeling adventurous. This project is a great example of how open source hardware and a bit of creativity can bring music and technology together. If you've got a Raspberry Pi and some patience, you could totally build this yourself. Imagine coming home and your piano just starts playing your favorite tunes, no practice required. So if you're into music, tech, or just love seeing what's possible with a few lines of code and a little ingenuity, this automatic piano will blow your mind. Let me know what you'd have your piano play first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome tech in action. Catch you in the next one.